All right, hello, boys and girls. We are going to go over our foundations lesson for today. So, this week we've been working with the letters B, the T, and the letter F. And so today we're going to go through the sound cards. We're also going to go through the small standard cards. You've never seen those before, so I'm going to show you them today. And then we are going to go through the letter formation for those letters. And then we'll be done our lesson for today. All right, so let's get started. B, bat, B. Good. Remember to do your action word, okay? T, top, T. Good. Last one. F, fun. Good. Who can tell me what letter this is? It is the letter T. What is the key word for letter T? It is top. What sound does the letter T make? It makes the T sound. Good. What letter is this, my friend? The letter F. Good. What sound does the letter F make? Good. What is the key word for the letter F? Fun. Good. And last but not least, friend, what letter is this? This is the letter B. Good. What sound does the letter B make? B, B. Good. And what is the key word for the letter B? Bat. Good. All right. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to meet you at the skywriting paper, and I want you to have on your desk in front of you your notebook and your pencil. All right. I'll see you back in a second. All right, my friends, remember when we are writing with our pencils, we want to make sure that we have the correct writing, the pencil grip, okay? So hold your pencil with the hand that you do not write with. Use your writing thumb and your writing index finger and pinch your pencil like this. And then go ahead and let your pencil rest back on your middle finger and grip it like this. So you should look like this when you're ready to write. Other side. There you are. Okay. So I'm going to switch my pencil because I'm actually going to use a marker on my board. So I'm going to use the same writing grip. I'm going to hold it with my thumb and my pointer finger and let it rest back on my middle finger. All right. So let's go over the skyline formation the letter formation for each line. For each letter. But before we do that, let's go over our line. So remember, this is our writing grid. This is what the writing grid looks like in the paper that you'll be using when we either get back in school or you order your parents order your packets for you. This is what it's going to look like, okay? So here we have the picture of the clouds and the sun, and this is what line, my friends? This is the skyline. Good. And then under the skyline, we have a dotted line that goes across the grid, and it has a plane next to it. What line is this? This is the plane line. Good. So we have the skyline, the plane line. The third line is what? The grass line. And then the last picture is the worm, and that line is the what? The worm line. Good. So extend your arms out with your pointer finger, and we are going to point to the line. So point to the worm line for me. Good. Release your finger. Point to the plane line. Good. Release your finger. Point to the skyline. Good. Release your finger. Point to the grass line. Good job. As I point to the lines, name them with me. Skyline, plane line, grass line, worm line. Good. Go ahead and give yourselves a pat on the back. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Good job, friends. All right, so let's go over the letter F first. F is a skyline letter. It starts on the skyline. Point to the skyline. Trace back on the skyline. Go down to the grass line and cross at the plane line. Okay? Let's try that again. F is a skyline letter, so that means that it starts on the skyline. So you're going to point to the skyline, trace back on the skyline, down to the grass line, and cross at the plane line. F, fun, good. Next, we're going to do the letter B. B is also a skyline letter. It starts on the skyline. So you're going to point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, come around to the grass line. B, bat, B. Let's try it again. B is a skyline letter, so it starts at the skyline. So point to the skyline, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line, and around to the grass line. B, bat, B. Good. Next letter and final letter for today is the letter T. T is also a skyline letter. So it starts at the what, my friends? At the skyline. Good. So point to the skyline, come down to the grass line, and cross at the plane line. T, top, T. Let's try it again. Point to the skyline, come down to the grass line, cross at the plane line. T, top, T. So I hope you were practicing with me as I was doing my letters on the board, okay? So this means that today, I want you to take a picture of your work and have your parents to upload it to our Google Classroom, okay? Take a picture of your work. You can practice it a few times. So practice each letter 10 times, okay? Practice each letter 10 times. So you should have the letter F written 10 times, the letter B written 10 times, and the letter T written 10 times. Only the lowercase. Do not do the uppercase. You only need the lowercase, my friends, okay? So practice your letters 10 times each, and then go ahead and have your parents to upload it to Google Classroom, and I cannot wait to see your superhero super work, all right? All right, my friends, I will talk to you later.